Meet Wrike Whiteboard, your new space for ideas and collaboration. Now seamlessly integrated into Wrike, all your whiteboards at your fingertips. Simply create a new board from the sidebar. Start with a clean canvas, or take inspiration from one of our 200 templates for brainstorming, diagramming, design thinking, and more. Bring your team on one page to brainstorm, collaborate, and ideate. No limits, just freedom. Add any type of file directly onto the board. Images, PDFs, videos, GIFs, you name it. Watch as a visual map of your project emerges. Keep the discussion going. Use polls, comments, ratings, and likes. With Whiteboard, it's easy to collect feedback and make sure every voice is heard. Check out the activity stats to see how you can improve engagement and collaboration based on your team's data. When it's time to capture action items and next steps, AI takes over. Scanning, analyzing, and converting all your board objects into Wrike work items, all in one click. Prefer to take the wheel? No problem. Just select the ideas you like and convert them into Wrike items manually. Your board, your rules. Wrike Whiteboard is your all-purpose visual workspace for ideas, meetings, storyboards, workflows, and anything in between. Present with confidence. Invite all your teammates to focus on the same thing at the same time. You can also personalize your presentation with widgets from different Wrike projects and dashboards. The canvas is your playground. Plus, real-time updates let you highlight key initiatives and align stakeholders easily. With Wrike Whiteboard, your ideas now have a home to live and thrive, and your team has a place to create, visualize, and solve problems together. Wrike Whiteboard adds a whole new dimension to your project roadmap. Pop aboard and try it today.